So, hi dear Gemini, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is Journal 7 days 7 Oracle messages reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 4th till the 10th of May 2026. Keep in mind these are general messages. This might or might not resonate. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the readings. Okay. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see the overall energy for Gemini people for this week. So we have the divine guidance for you guys for this week. The search for meaning in life. You guys are going to be in this energy of searching for the meaning in life. Consider an alternative approach. Consider an alternative approach towards the path of your spirituality. You might be having this energy of, okay, only this religion, only this thing, only this technique, only this person can help me to find the purpose of my life. But you should keep your energies open and mind open and flexible enough to consider alternative approaches as well. Surround yourself with wise teachers or friends. Surround yourself with those people, those situations, those things that can give you the kind of advices, the kind of help that you guys need or deserve in order to walk on this path of spirituality or finding the meaning of your life. Let's see the per day messages for you guys. So we have, first we have 4th of May. We have, there is so very much to be grateful for: financial success and the promise of retirement, a rich and rewarding family life. You guys are going to have a lot of things to be grateful for in your life. Financial success and the promise of retirement. You guys are going to get some kind of success that can lead to early retirement, or you guys are going to have a very stable kind of income source from this point onwards. A rich and rewarding family life. Your family life is also going to be really beautiful and rich and rewarding. 5th of May, we have the King of Raphael. Yes, it is safe to trust. It's safe for you guys to trust the divine and trust yourself. The ability to accomplish many things at once. You guys will be able to finish a lot of things at once. Follow your creative passions. Follow your heart. Follow your creative passions, and you guys will be able to get something done really very, very beautifully. But first of all, you should have the trust and faith in yourself and the divine itself. And then you guys will be able to manage so many things at the same time in a very, very creative and beautiful way. 6th, we have the King of Gabriel. Keep your eyes on the big picture. Gemini, keep your eyes on the goal. Keep your eyes on the prize. Okay, leave the details to other. Meaning you guys are going to face obstacles and challenges on the path of your goal. It doesn't mean that you should give up, or it doesn't mean that you should keep on looking for each and every detail that you might or might not be able to resolve. Keep the details to others, meaning you can hire somebody, you can take help from somebody who can look out for the small obstacles and challenges, right? Experience that leads to success. Some kind of experience is going to lead to major success in the coming future. It might not be something really beautiful at first, but it has the potential to give you a lot of success in the coming future. Genuine concern for others. You might be concerned about something or someone, but it's really genuine. It's coming out of your heart and soul. So stay in touch with that person or that energy that you are feeling concerned about, or try to communicate properly instead of getting into this energy of worry and concern. 4th, 5th, 6th. 7th, we have the Strength card. Strength and grace through kindness. The more you are going to be kind, the more you are going to be kind with yourself, with other people around you, the more you are going to have more and more strength and grace in your life. Self-confidence is important for you guys. The more you are going to have the self-confidence, the more you will be able to face life in a proper way and positive way. Forgiveness is very, very important for this day, for yourself, for other people, for things that you might not be able to resolve, or something that you might wanted to do but you never were able to do that. Forgiveness, always start from yourself and then start with your parents, then go to your parents, go to your childhood, go to your parents, and whatever happened in the childhood along with your parents or siblings or other family members, start like that, and then till this age connect with all the people that you feel like you should forgive and you should ask for forgiveness. That's how it works. I'll make a full-fledged video about forgiveness one day. So we have 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. 8th of May, we have changed your life, a sudden revelation that offers freedom. Something is going to be revealed to you, and you are going to feel like you got the freedom, you achieved some kind of freedom here. Break free of procrastination. If you are continuously delaying something, if you're continuously living in some kind of procrastination kind of energy, break free of that. Do the important things, do the stuff that you should be doing this day only, otherwise it's going to be a little bit of difficult to deal with current situation. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. Change is going to bring a lot of beautiful and positive energies in your life. Embrace those opportunities instead of getting fixated on something or someone that you are like feeling like this is the only reality or the truth. You are blocking your own growth and expansion by not embracing the opportunities that change is bringing on your way, right? Ninth, we have fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, right? Ninth, we have nine of Michael. Your worry is unnecessary. You might be continuously worrying about something that you cannot change or shift or do anything about. Your worry is unnecessary. Focus your thoughts on the outcome you desire. Focus your thoughts on the outcome that you desire, but remain detached from the outcome. Don't be too attached to that outcome. Don't be just much in don't be in this heavy energy of okay, I want what I want and I want it like this only. So focus your thoughts on the outcome you desire, but remain detached. Healthy detachment is also required. Release feelings of regret, guilt, or worry to your angels. Release the feelings of regret, guilt, or worry that you are carrying within yourselves regarding something that might have happened, God knows when. But now, instead of focusing on something that you cannot change or do anything about, make it a point that you're not going to repeat the same kind of mistakes again, and that you have learned your lessons. Okay. 10th of May, we have the Four of Profile. Seek out other possibilities. There are so many other possibilities in the whole universe regarding life, regarding every area of your life actually. But if you're stuck on something or someone, and that then you might not be able to see them. So you have to keep an open mind and flexible energies to seek out for other possibilities also in your life. Look for the magic in life. Be aware of your own emotions. You have to look for the positive side of the life instead of remaining in the pessimistic or negative side of life. Start looking for the optimistic and positive side of the life. Be aware of your own emotions. Your emotions are going to be quite up and down, on and off, in and out. Beware of these kind of energies of making any kind of life changing decisions or choices based on these kind of up and down feelings, on and off feelings. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week. So we have the solution. Success that comes from objective compromise. You guys have to find a middle ground in order to have that kind of success that you want in a particular situation. So compromise is required here. Self control and patience is very, very important for you guys in order to achieve the kind of success that you're looking forward to have in your life, in whatever area of your life it is applicable. And forgiving and healing energy is the key to this week for you guys to move forward. Forgiveness is very, very important, and healing energy is very, very important for you guys to leave the past behind and start moving forward. You guys might be stuck on something or someone, right? So that needs healing and a lot of forgiveness. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.